You and I appreciate you having this conversation. And you are correct. This is a very difficult. I appreciate the courage to come in front of us and speak this and share with what you have, because this is a very difficult discussion. And I don't think people, they maybe they do, maybe they don't. I mean, this committee, the bills that we hear in this committee have so many moral and ethical conflicts, and sometimes we have conflicts within our own minds on this. And I would encourage, and you've hit on a lot of great points, but I do want to encourage people at home, those in the audience. Uh, there's a book out there, The Righteous Mind, Jonathan Haidt, and he talks about moral foundations, and you hit on several of those, whether you knew it or not, in your presentation, and some of the folks that actually came up and spoke against it as well. Care harm is one, and what can we do to care for people in these types of situations, and are we doing what we can for that? Fairness. What is fair to our patients? And we're obviously still working through that as well. You mentioned freedom. Obviously people that come to my office know liberty's a big issue with me, and that's a conflict. And you did mention that in this. I'm not sure how authority and loyalty, those are a couple of the foundations, would fit in this. But the last foundation, and where it makes it difficult, really difficult for me, is sanctity. And as Chairman mentioned, within our profession, sanctity of the profession and sanctity of life are things that are very deeply ingrained in me. And so all the different emotions, all the different moral conflicts I share with you, but I can't resolve in my mind voting in the affirmative for this. But you're welcome to come up my office and we can have some discussions. So thank you.